To link a Google form to a Google Sheet, start by opening the form you want to connect. Next, click on the Response tab located at the top center of the screen. Then, look for a green button at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This button is used to link the form to a Google Sheet. Once clicked, the form's responses will automatically be added to the sheet. This feature makes organizing responses extremely simple, as every time someone fills out the form, their response will be automatically added to the sheet. With the form and sheet linked, you can easily access all responses in one place, without having to constantly switch between the two. The linked sheet will be stored in the same account that created the form, and you can also choose to share it with others. This streamlined process makes it easy to manage and organize form responses.